Hi everyone, hi Mom. Apologize for the lighting if it's not that great and I won't be able to tell till I upload the video. Okay, so this is the latest. It's made with the Nature's Bounty digital kit that's in the store. It is a 6 by 8.5 by 1 1/4. I've used a wooden piece that was gifted. There's some stenciling. It's a Gabrielle Palaco stencil. I've done some painting. That's using the Prima. This gold is called Dragon's Eye. I don't know what the purple's called, but it'll probably have purple in the name. And then I've used the art wax, the Prima. I love this stuff. It's just, oh, it smells so great. And then I've used the embossing enamel on the spine just for something different. I've used a lilac floss, and then the back is pretty basic. Just the paper line, which is Blueford Studio. And then, of course, I've done the Butterbee Scraps metal, the Tim Holtz hitch fastener, and that's it. So before we open it up, I want to tell you there will be 2 listed. This one is done, the other one is not done. I have started it. It should be done within 3 to 4 days. It will be virtually the same. There will be minor changes, like I don't have another Believe, I have something else. The paper is the same line, but it might be a different pattern, but it'll be the same colors. And then everything else on the front will be the same, as well as all the papers on the inside will be the same. But there might be a different die cut. I don't know. Like the die itself will probably be the same, but you know, it might not be the same pattern paper that I used. However, pretty much the same. Okay, so I've distressed around the edge on the inside. Like I say, I use the metal and that protects the edges of the book. And so we'll just get right into it. There are 12 pattern papers and 12 journal papers. You don't get this page unless you've purchased the Nature's Bounty digital kit, and then I send it as a bonus page. There's some tea stain tracing paper, and all the ephemera that I've used comes in the ephemera pack. There are a few pieces that were cut-offs of the paper on the front that I've done the cover in. I sure hope this lighting's going to be okay. So it's lavenders and a bit of purple and golds. The trim here has been tea stained, and then I use my gelatos just to color the centers. Composition paper. I've done all the little tabs with just a trim. This is actually from the dollar store, this trim. And it's so shimmery, I really like it. There's a little flip booklet and then a tiny tag. Trying not to move the book. It's really hard because I actually wear glasses to see up close, but then when I look up, I can't really see. Okay, so for instance, this little cutout is from the Blueford Studio paper line, and you can journal on it. This will be the same. I did go and buy another sheet today. But like, say for instance, this pattern paper, I might not have that particular one. So it'll be something different, but the same, you know, same die cut. And then this is part of the pages that I've just cut up so that you can have a little hidden journal spot there. Okay, cooperate. Okay, it's taking too long. And then there's these little cards come in the ephemera, and this is a Spellbinders, I think. Or it might be, it'll come to me. Gee, I use them all the time. You'd think I'd remember something like that. But no. I've created 2 paper clips for the book. I wanted to show you it because I did a few things different. So, let's telephoto in. There we go. So you see here, these are the tiny attacher staples that I've used the alcohol ink on them, turned them purple. And then just the little sequins in the purple. So I did 2 of them. There will be 2 in the other book. And this is the cutoff from one of the pages. And then that's on the other side. That's part of the ephemera. And then, you know, nothing covering this. I actually thought that looked kind of pretty. And I've cut this out in a solid lilac, and then I dipped it in gold embossing powder. I sure hope these show up. So that will be the same. This opens up, and then again, this is a die that I have, and then I just, you know, went around the edges with the gold embossing powder. And this side's the tuck. Okay, so that's part of the blue fern. And then another little booklet, I think. Yep, little booklet. And then that's part of the ephemera as well. And this flips up. I almost want to glue the book down. Okay, so these little tags, I actually made these. And then there's another booklet. You won't find them in the store though. You can find something similar to that though in Denise's store. A little bird that I cut out. The postcard's part of the ephemera. This I trimmed in the gold embossing powder as well. And as usual, there's lots and lots of writing space. Now, I've added this. I got this at the dollar store. I thought it was amazing. Here it is here. And I just trimmed off the edge. So that's what it looks like. And I got it at Dollarama, I believe. And just trimmed off the edge and inked them up, and then left a pocket size for one of the postcards. And this belly band comes with it. Here's my little dragonfly. And then we've got some postcards and large tags. There's another one of those pocket. You can put them at the bottom. I liked it in the middle. I thought it was kind of different looking. And then I just created a belly band out of some layered, you know, butterflies, doilies, and whatnot. And some of the trim. Okay, and the second signature is a mirror of the first. It's just different papers. There may be different die cuts as well. Another flip, another little card. Another piece from the blue fern. Oh, that's the other page. And then I did a glassine bag with a napkin, added the dragonfly and another, and there's a tag in this one, and then another journal stick. There's the other, it's pretty much the same, little trims are a little different. So there will be 2 of those in the other book. Did I clip 2 together? No, I didn't. And then this one has the envelope. I've added a die cut up here. You can write anything you like there. And there's lots more ephemera there and another flip. This opens up. And another tuck. I love that sound. And there's another one of those calendars with another postcard. And this one here has my information on the back. Oops. I love this one with the dragonfly in it. And then these banners come with it. There's another bird up here and another piece from the collection. I didn't buy the whole collection, I just bought a few sheets. And then there's a small envelope with a journal card. And I'll deal with that. Almost done. And that's it. So I love the way it looks at this thing like that. It looks so cool. I don't know if that shows up. Man, this lighting is horrendous. Sorry about that, you guys. It's really a funny day out. Every couple of seconds the sun comes out. Then I get these streaks of shadowing across my desk, and it just looks terrible. So I opted for artificial light. So I hope you're going to be able to see it. Let's hold it up a little closer. You can see the color. It is lavender. It's a really, really pretty color. Anyway, I hope you like it, and it should be listed in the store after you've watched the video. So have an awesome week, you guys. Bye!